Looking for a new way to upgrade your invoicing process? Say goodbye to paper and embrace digital efficiency with ConnectPOS E-invoice feature. Customize your invoice with unlimited templates and options, while leveraging your customer experience with traceable invoices right in their mailbox. In this video, we will walk you through how you can manage an e-invoice list, assign receipts to outlets, and proceed with e-invoice after payment. User can both manage existing e-invoices and add new templates in the list. To add a new template, from the register screen, choose Manage, then click Receipt. Add New. Then you can customize your template by choosing any size or style that fits your demands. You can input your company information, customer information, and other setting options. You can use the settings to configure the template and preview the changes on the right. If everything is ready, click Save Configuration. Note, in the font box option, choose either default or multilingual to avoid font errors. To change or edit the existing template, navigate to the receipt setting. Click on the template you want to edit. Feel free to add on or delete information as needed. Once satisfied with the changes, click Save Configuration. To delete the existing template, go to Receipt Settings. You can just click on the template you want to remove. Select Delete Template. Confirm by clicking Done. From the register screen, select Manage. In the outlet list, click on the desired outlet to assign. Scroll down to Outlet Configurations. Choose the receipt template you want from the options in the receipt box. Click Save. From the Sell screen, add the product to cart. You can choose an existing customer or create a new customer for their first payment. Click Pay. Then you can choose the payment method. For example, cash. Input the amount of money. Choose Confirm. Then click Complete. Click the Send Receipt button and input the customer's email address to receive an e-invoice. Or click the Receipt button, save the e-invoice to your device.